In this video, we're going to look at how to use myUPEI to approve documents. Typically, documents like requisitions or vouchers for payment are the types of things that you might be called upon to approve. So we're going to begin in the usual way. We're going to drill down into Web Advisor for Employees and then Financial Information, and we're going to choose Approve Documents. myUPEI will then list any documents that have been forwarded to you for approval. So in this case, I've got two different types of documents. One's a requisition for purchase, and the other one is a voucher, which is used to request a payment be issued to a vendor. So the document type is shown, the document number, the name, a little bit of information about that document, the date, the amount, and so on. So I'm going to start by, of course, you should always review the documents before you approve them. So I'm going to click on this requisition. And for the context of this document, I'm going to ignore the actual items on this requisition because something tells me that a barrel of wine is probably not something I should be approving, nor should I be approving a couple of lobster dinners typically. But for the sake of this demonstration, let's assume that these are appropriate uses of university funds. So I can see the details here, I can see who's entered it, and I can see who the next approvers are, either myself or Deidre. So I am going to now close that window. Now I can come back here and indicate that I want to approve this requisition. And I can submit it. And there we go. Requisition has been updated. There are no documents that were not updated. So I can click OK, and it's as easy as that. If I go back to approve documents again, now you'll see that that requisition has no longer shows because it's been handled. If I drill down into this other document that's shown, it what? If I want to drill down into this document, I can see the details for it. In this case, it's requesting that a vendor be paid through a voucher. So it lists what was purchased, quantity, the price, and so on. The account shows who can approve it at this stage. So I'm going to say, okay, yes, that's fine. I can then indicate I want to approve it and click Submit. So again, following documents were updated. That one, click OK. And now if I go back to Approve Documents, you'll see there's no documents for me to approve at this time. And that's all there is to it. That's in this case, they were fairly straightforward examples, maybe with the exception of the barrel of wine and the lobster, but they were fairly straightforward examples, very easy to go in and just indicate that yes, you approve those particular expenditures.